Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be showing how to do a short mapping video in FLIPACLIP. So start by downloading the map for the background, then you name yours, I will just name mine video. I will select my background, which in my case will be a World War II map. And I will move it to be about there. And I'm going to change the FPS down to 1. Then create the project. And now from here, what I'm going to want to do is find the area that I want to do. So this time I'm going to be doing the German invasion of Poland. So what I'm going to do is outline the German territories of that time, which is Germany, Austria, the Sudetenland. No, it isn't. I know it isn't fully accurate, just kind of trying to get it done. As well as there's that one. Okay, so now that I'm going to, once I've got this done, I will begin the actual task of mapping it. I know this is not going to be at all good quality. Oops, yeah, I accidentally deleted my stuff, so make sure not to do that. And if you do something you don't want to, there's a undo button up in the top corner. So now I've outlined Germany, now I need to outline Poland. And now I need to outline the Soviet Union, so that then they can also do their invading. I apologize if the audio quality isn't very good, because I know it's static in my last video, so hopefully it doesn't do that this time. Okay, so now we've outlined all of our countries. We'll go to pocket. We will get a nice red and make that the Soviet Union. And then we will get a black and do that for Germany. And a lighter, like greyish, for these two. And then we will get a blue for Poland. Yeah. And we'll also go with the black thing to do East Prussia. It's open up to do something really close to East Prussia. There we go. We will start going down here, clicking it, and then making a copy of this. So from here, we will draw our first outline. So this line up there, and then we will put it there. Then so we will go. Here, we make a slightly lighter shade of it, and that is what we do. And then now we've got our first one, then we will continue through these like that. And then we'll just keep these. It's definitely not the best quality one, it's just 801, so I just realized the whole time I forgot that I was in Poland. In Poland, but being just on camera, but it was not intentional. After that, we'll basically just start making our front lines around them. As well as marking the official circle in Warsaw. Now like that, then hole in the center with those troops in there. And then we'll here's where the Soviet command join. So we're going to start on the Soviet line this time. And then we're going to start with Germany. And then we will go and get a nice bread for our Soviet invading Poland. And then next time we will over about the Maya to come over Germany. And then this time we'll have the Soviets. And then now we're going to surrender. This is basically where we do this. And then we will show in the next one our peace game. And now we get pretty much that. There's a little bit up there. They will become free part of Germany. Then we will have that's another mention. Annoying as random stuff. I will call it random. And this one as well. So then here in this line from the center there. We'll make it about and we're going to put the rest of us over in that color to draw it out. I think you realistically draw it more. And then we do that. And then the rest of it we get like that paler grayish. And now we have to something which is what it looks like. So that is what our creation looks like. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking like and subscribe. Also, at the moment I don't know how to add it, like upload it to YouTube. And I heard it, if you want to add music, this is where you would do it. So, for example, import music. So, I have an audio library if you want to use that. So this is it's war, so I will put explosion debris one, which that is what it sounds like, but apparently I can't do it. Wait. Settings. And now we'll need to bring it here. And missions. Yeah. honestly don't know how to. This thing weird sometimes, so I will just leave it there. Don't crash, that is. Yeah, it crashed. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.